How to fix your payment method was declined on App Store. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So the first method is make sure to recheck your credit card or debit card number, your expiry date, make sure it is up to date, and your CVV. So once you have entered the correct numbers, or also if you move from one place to another, make sure to change the billing address as well. And if this didn't work for you, you have to make sure you have updated iOS. Simply go to your general and click on the software update, and if you have update, make sure to update that as well. So if this also did not work for you, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Simply go to your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So yeah, that's how basically you will fix your payment method was declined on App Store.